Nice with the verbiage, I come through swerving. I got a crowd nervous. That's when I finally realized I might need better glass. Can't even test it out. I look to my right, and then I look to my left, and then I even look up. Straight at the camera. Yep, I need new glasses. I'm gonna kick the right, and then the doctor's office here. Really in the doctor's office. Check this eye chart out. And now I'm checking this chart out. I really need it. Here you go, one new shot. The hat on. Regular. Look at me now, smiling a little bit. Here it is, styling. Old school OG. Player pimp. Can't see the feather though. Huh. Gangster galore, you heard me. It's my background. And it's me, plain old me, still handsome, fresh. A little grill pop, you know. Baked potatoes, 4 of them on there. 2-piece meal, baby. Let me show you this beautiful chicken. You see? Let me show you. Right here. See that? Beautiful. Put this on top of here. Chicken marinated in salt and pepper and mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is a great marinade because it keeps the chicken tender. I poked the little holes in it, of course, so it sink in. It's been in the refrigerator for like over an hour. I'm about to put it on the grill. Now it's on the grill. See that? I'm about to take the potatoes off, so I'll just move them over a little bit so I can fit 4 big chicken breasts on the grill. See? Just like that. Shut that up. And let it sizzle. But the key to grilling great is come back in about 5 more minutes and flip them over. Massive explosive. Alright, we back. It's about to turn them over. It's been 5 minutes. And after that, I'm gonna take these potatoes off, these baked potatoes. You have to put those in the microwave to soften them up just a little bit, then put them on the grill. Or they'll take all day. You'll be eating chicken without your baked potato. So you just keep on flipping. Massive explosive. This is off. Take the potatoes off. Put them 1 by 1 up there. Hot. Put them 1 by 1 up there. Real hot. Another one. Hot. Sliding, you see it? And another. Hot. Alright. Close this up on the chicken. You see how it looks? Flip it again in about 3 more minutes because it's been on there for 2 for that side. But I can slide this one over here where the super heat at. Put this one over here. That one a little closer. And that one a little closer. I'll turn them over in a minute. Fast and explosive. Alright. About to open it back up. Flip them over again. See? Just flip them over. Don't let them stay on one side for too long. You see that? I'll take that little piece, this is raw, flip it back just like that. Take that, flip it over like that. And then put the lid back down. See how beautiful they looking now? Watch how they taste. Poke a little bit more. You know? Let them roll. There's some real chicken breast right there. So we're gonna wait maybe 6 minutes this time. Last we smoke. Let that smoke. See that? I shut it. Let that smoke for a couple minutes. Look at that beautiful chicken now. Time to turn it over again. You look at it. Turn it over every 5 minutes until it's done. This is what you're gonna get. A beautiful golden, delicious, beautiful golden chicken. Look at that. It's time to shut this up. I'm going to get me some wine. I'll be back in 5 minutes. See that? Alright, time to flip it again. Look at that. See? Look at the middle of that. Come on, man. You see that? Flip that one. Flip that one. Flip that one. Juicy. Juicy. Massive explosive. And the smoke full of it all. Alright. About that time. Stop the chicken from smoking. Flip it one more time. One more again. See, it's still tender. See, look at that. Still tender. Won't be dry, nothing, because of the mayonnaise, marinade. Use oil, like a vegetable oil, but I prefer to use grapeseed oil or olive oil to marinate with salt and pepper. But mayonnaise, it does bring the flavor, and it really, really is a great marinade too. I mean, if you don't like mayonnaise on your sandwich or anything, you can put it on your chicken to keep it tender and grill it. Chicken is just about done. See that? Still nice and tender. Oh man. One more time. Look at that. Delicious. One more time. Flip it one more time. And one more time. Check that chicken. Look at that. Beautiful. Cut it. Just so you can see what it look like inside. Look at that. No red. Thick as that chicken is. Massive explode. Real massive. Right. Taking the chicken off now. See that? Chicken on it. There. Another chicken. Get it off there. Make sure that don't fall there. It's 2 pieces. Okay. 3 pieces. Okay. And the 4th piece. Get that off there. Alright. Look how beautiful that is. It's done. 4 delicious pieces. Delicious. Massive explode. Shit, that grill out.